Explore the power of functional pipeline design in Python. We'll delve into building elegant, composable data transformations using functional programming patterns. Discover how these techniques can streamline your data processing tasks. Functional pipelines in Python streamline data transformations by using map, filter, and reduce. These tools enhance readability and composability, allowing for elegant data processing. Function composition further simplifies complex operations, enabling seamless chaining of transformations. This approach contrasts with imperative code, which often involves cumbersome loops and intermediate variables, complicating maintenance and testing. Imperative code, like the example shown, often clutters the namespace with intermediate variables and multiple loops, reducing readability. Testing individual transformations becomes challenging, and operations are hard to compose or reuse. The intent is obscured by implementation details, forcing readers to mentally execute each step, complicating maintenance and debugging. Functional pipelines streamline data transformations into a clear, linear flow. By chaining operations like filter active, transform values, and sort by value, each step is independently testable and reusable. This approach enhances readability and mirrors natural data processing, making the transformation intent immediately visible and simplifying maintenance. Map, filter, and reduce are core functional building blocks. Map applies a function to each element, transforming values while preserving structure. Filter selects elements based on a predicate, reducing size but maintaining types. Reduce accumulates elements into a single result using a binary function, collapsing collections. Mastery of these operations is crucial for sophisticated data pipelines. Function composition allows us to build complex operations by chaining simple functions. Using the compose function, we can transform data efficiently, as seen with the example 5, 2, plus 1, 2, 121. This approach promotes code reuse, mathematical reasoning, and eliminates unnecessary variables, adhering to associative laws for seamless integration. Python lacks a native pipe operator, but we can create one using the touch or doc method. This allows for a left-to-right data flow, enhancing readability. The pipeable class wraps values, applying functions sequentially with the touch operator. For instance, filtering positives, doubling values, and summing them results in 12. This approach simplifies complex data transformations. Eager evaluation processes entire collections immediately, consuming more memory and central processing unit. In contrast, lazy evaluation delays computation until results are needed, processing items on demand. This approach supports infinite sequences and enhances performance. For example, eager evaluation processes all data at once, while lazy evaluation computes only when iterated, optimizing resource usage. Python's itertools module excels in creating efficient, lazy pipelines. Functions like chain, islice, and groupie process data one item at a time, avoiding intermediate lists. This approach is ideal for handling large data sets, enabling memory-efficient operations. For instance, chain combines iterables, while accumulate computes running totals, enhancing performance in data processing tasks. Extract, transform, load, ETL. Operations are ideal for functional pipelines. Start by extracting logs line by line, parsing JSON, and filtering active users. Enrich records with timestamps, then aggregate actions per user. This approach efficiently processes user activity logs, ensuring data integrity and scalability in real-world applications. The functional pipeline approach in ETL processes user logs efficiently. It uses iterators for memory efficiency, processes one record at a time, and is highly composable. Each function is independently testable and reusable, enhancing readability and maintainability. This pattern scales seamlessly from small scripts to production systems handling millions of records. Error handling in pipelines is crucial to prevent cascading failures. Using functional patterns, we manage errors gracefully. The safe pipeline decorator wraps functions to return a result type, ensuring errors are captured as failure objects. The pipeline map function applies transformations only if the previous step succeeded, maintaining a clean and robust pipeline flow. The monadic pipeline pattern uses decorators like a safe pipeline to ensure each function returns a result, encapsulating success or failure. This pattern eliminates try-except clutter, allowing errors to propagate naturally. It supports type-safe error handling and simplifies adding logging or retry logic. Libraries such as returns and pymonad offer robust implementations for production environments. Parallel pipeline execution enhances performance for CPU-bound tasks by processing data chunks concurrently. Using Python's multiprocessing, we maintain functional purity, avoiding shared state. The parallel map function applies transformations across multiple processes, significantly reducing execution time. Ensure functions are pure to prevent race conditions, as seen in the parallel processing of data with 8 workers. Benchmarking 100,000 records reveals that lazy evaluation excels in memory efficiency, whereas parallel pipelines significantly enhance speed for CPU-bound tasks. The optimal approach hinges on your specific constraints and bottlenecks, balancing between memory usage and processing speed to achieve the desired performance. Debugging pipeline transformations is crucial for maintaining efficiency. The tap function allows for inserting checkpoints without disrupting flow, enabling observation of values. Testing strategies include unit tests for isolated functions, property-based testing with hypothesis, and integration tests for complete flows. Snapshot testing captures and compares outputs, ensuring pipeline reliability and accuracy. Transducers optimize data processing by separating transformation logic from iteration mechanics. They compose operations like mapping and filtering without creating intermediate collections, enhancing efficiency. By applying a composed transducer with a reducer, we achieve a single-pass transformation, crucial for handling large datasets effectively. Using transducers, we achieve efficiency by composing transformations into a single pass. Traditional methods create intermediate iterators, adding overhead. Transducers, however, apply transformations like filtering and mapping in one go, optimizing performance for large datasets. This approach is ideal for scenarios where memory allocation is critical or when transformations need to adapt across various data structures. Avoid mutating inputs in pipelines. Instead, return new collections to maintain predictability. Hidden side effects disrupt referential transparency, making pipelines unreliable. Use named functions for complex logic instead of convoluted lambdas. Begin with clear, readable code and only optimize after profiling indicates necessity. This approach ensures maintainability and clarity in your codebase. Identify transformation hotspots dominated by loops. Extract pure functions for composability. Gradually replace loops with functional equivalents, ensuring tests are maintained. Introduce pipeline operators as comfort grows. Refactor for lazy evaluation in performance-critical paths. Support team learning through code reviews, documentation, and pair programming. Celebrate simplification successes, applying functional style where it enhances clarity. In our production pipeline, we process streaming data from a message queue. We consume events asynchronously, enriching them with user profiles. Metrics are computed, including action counts and user segments. Finally, data is written to the database in batches, ensuring efficient handling of millions of events per hour with minimal latency. The analytics pipeline processes millions of events per hour, offering real-time insights with minimal latency. It consists of stages: consuming, enriching, computing metrics, and monitoring. The functional design allows easy addition of transformations, component swapping, and stream redirection for A/B testing. This ensures a robust, adaptable system for real-time data processing. Harness the power of composition by building complex transformations from simple, reusable functions. Embrace laziness with iterators for memory efficiency, delaying computation until necessary. Pure functions, free of side effects, simplify testing and debugging. Optimize strategically. Profile first, then introduce complexity only when justified by performance metrics. Explore resources to deepen your understanding of functional programming. Key books include Functional Programming in Python by David Mertz, and Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. Libraries like Tools and Returns offer practical utilities. Engage in practice projects such as refactoring scripts or building extract, transform, load systems with pure functions to solidify your skills. Discuss challenges in current data processing code and explore opportunities for pipeline refactoring. Consider performance implications and strategies for team adoption. Engage with the community to share and learn from pipeline implementations. Remember, functional programming is an ongoing journey. Thank you for your attention.